You have to forgive the washing machine on. What have you got there? You got a plum? You got a plum? What a cheeky girl. I can't see your face. Get back. I was meant to do a video of you walking. Does that eat a plum? Oh, okay. You carry on eating that plum then. Is it tasty? Very tasty. Good. Good. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, I'm going to eat my plum. Lauren. Bye-bye. Lauren, what does Miss Tumble do? Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Blink 3 times. And off it goes. Good girl. You do it again. Touch your nose. Blink 3 times. And off it goes. Well done, clever lady. Bye-bye.